this is Tin and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see on the title, I will be transforming myself into an ABG or Asian baby girl makeup look. Last time, nag-ask ako ng suggestion ng makeup look na gagawin ko dito sa channel ko on my Facebook. So, isa sa nag-request ng makeup look is yung friend ko na ABG makeup look daw. So, I searched about it and kinakailangan kong umorder ng temporary tattoo sa Shopee. And luckily, dumating na siya. So, mas ma-achieve natin yung look. So, if you wanna know how I will transform myself into an ABG, please keep on watching. So, as usual, I already did my skincare off the camera and I already moisturized my face. So, let's start with a primer. For my primer, I will be using this MAC Prep and Prime Face Mist. Shake nyo lang and then I'll just spray it all over my face. So, what I love to do is naganyan ko lang siya. Just spreading it all over my face. Tapos, papatuyuin ko lang siya hanggang mag-set na siya. So, nag-set na yung primer sa aking face. And now, let's proceed with a foundation. So, for my foundation, I will be using this Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I am in the shade Classic Ivory. So, this one is lighter than my skin tone. Pero kasi, nag-oxidize siya sa akin. That's why I choose 2 shades lighter than my skin tone. So, I'll start spreading the foundation on the right side of my face and then iba-brush ko na siya or iba-blend ko na kaagad. Then, I'll use a brush para i-blend yung aking foundation. Then, lalagyan ko na yung kabila. So, after ko siya ma-blend using a brush, i-blend ko naman siya using a beauty blender. So, ang aking gagamitin is from Real Techniques. So, I will highlight now my face using a concealer. For my concealer, I will be using this L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade Best and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. So, what I will do is that maglalagay ako ng Best dito and then here para may lift effect. And then, yung Fit Me dito banda. So, nabe-blend ko na siya using my beauty blender. So, after the concealer, I will set now my face using a loose powder. So, for my powder, I will be using this Just Blend Loose Mineral Powder from Glam Skin Manila. I am in the shade Natural Beige. So, ito-dust off ko lang yung powder sa aking face. Tapos, hindi ko sasama yung sa under eye kasi ibibake ko na din siya dahil nga ako ay oily skin and para kapag nag-eyeshadow tayo mamaya, may sasalo sa mga fallouts ng eyeshadow na gagamitin natin. So, I will just do my eyebrows off the camera. Siguro yung left side lang, and then I'll be right back para gawin yung sa right side. So, gawa na ang left side ng aking kilay. So, now let's proceed on the right side. So, for my brows, I will be using a pomade this time. This one is the LA Girl Gel Liner. This is in the shade brown. At dahil may hair color na ako, dapat match yung magiging color ng eyebrow ko sa aking hair. Kaya brown yung gagamitin natin shade ngayon. So, gagamit pala ako ng angled brush. This one is from Ann Klutz Essentials. So, ginagawa ko, wina-warm up ko siya sa back ng aking kamay kasi tumitigas kasi yung pomade or yung gel liner kapag matagal nang hindi nagagamit. Yung top part, so yung ilalim yung pinaka may moisture. So, ginagawa ko is wina-warm up ko muna siya sa back of my hand and then saka ko siya ilalagay sa aking brows. So, una kong gagawin is gagawa ko ng outline sa taas and then sa baba ng aking brows. Ayan, as you can see, gawa na yung outline sa taas and then sa baba ng aking brows. So, ang gagawin ko naman ngayon is i-fill in ko na yung gitnang part ng aking brows. And I'm just slightly filling in yung inner parts ng aking brows para magkaroon ng ombre effect sa aking brows. So, gagamit ako ng spoolie. Ibabrush up ko lang yung aking brows. So, after that, kukunin ko yung aking brow soap. This one is from Brow Natural. Gusto ko maging bushy yung aking brows sa look na gagawin ko today. And then, after that, gagamitin ko naman yung brow mascara. This is the All Clear Mascara from EB Advance. So, gagamitin ko lang siya para mag-set yung aking eyebrow and mas magtagal siya lalo. And then, to clean and define my brows, I will be using this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. So for my eyeshadow, I will be using this Salvai from Colourpop. I will use the shade Caramello as my transition shade. And I will spread it all over my eyelids. And now I will mix the shade Sangria and Malbec. I will put it in the outer V of my eyes. To give depth on my outer V, I will use the shade Cafecito. And make sure na hindi matatakpan yung transition shade and second shade na nailagay natin kanina. And now I will use this metallic shade called Patrona. And I will just do a semi-cut crease on my eyes. Now, I will use the shade Strella, a pearl color. Papatungan ko lang yung shade ng Patrona para mas makita siya lalo. To give bump in my eyes, I will use this Miss Metal, a glitter shock eyeshadow. And right now, i-outline ko lang yung semi-cut crease na ginawa natin kanina. For my wing eyeliner, I will be using this Careline Graph Ink Liner. After that, I will just curl my lashes and use this mascara from Fashion 21. This one is my favorite mascara kasi nagbibigay siya ng illusion na mahaba yung pilik mata ko. And now, I'm using the Italia Deluxe Eyeliner in black. Ita-tightline ko lang yung aking mata. For my eyelashes, I will be using a 3D eyelashes from Dingsen.
now, i-dust off ko lang yung binake kong powder under my eyes. Going back to shade Sangria and Malbec, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking lower lash line. And I will use the shade Cafecito para mas madarken ang aking lower lash line. Make sure na mailalagay nyo siya as close to your lash line as possible. For my eyeliner, I will be using this NYX Jumbo Pencil in Black Bean. And kukuha lang ako ng angle brush para i-smudge yung eyeliner para magkaroon ng smoky effect. Using the same mascara, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking lower lashes. Using the shade Strella, ilalagay ko lang siya sa aking tear ducts para mag-pop lalo yung aking eyes. And going back to Miss Metal Glitter Eyeshadow, ipapatong ko lang siya sa tear ducts ko para mas lalong mag-pop yung aking mata. And now, I will be using this Candleless Glow from Beauty Creation para i-highlight yung aking brow bone. For my contour, I will be using this Tevian Sculpt to Bronze in the shade Morocco. And I'll just do a dabbing motion dahil sobrang pigmented ng contour na ito. Bibake ko lang ang aking contour para mas ma-define at malinis lalo. And I'll just go back to Tevian Sculpt to Bronze for my nose line. Maglalagay din ako ng contour under my lids para magkaroon ng illusion na pouty siya. And also, ibibake ko din yung aking nose line para maging malinis tignan. And I will be using this City Color Glow Pro Blush Palette. I will use this 2 shade Coral and Peachy color. After that, i-dust off ko na yung binake ko sa nose area and sa jawline. For my highlighter, I will be using this Candleless Glow from Beauty Creation. I will just use the 4th shade. This one is my favorite. As you can see, na-hit ko na yung pan dahil wet look tignan yung highlighter na to. For my lipstick, I will be using this Careline Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gotta Go. Lastly, para mawala yung powder sa aking face, I will use this MAC for my setting spray. I will finalize my look at babalik ako para sa final aura.
That is for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Can you give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. See you on my next video. Bye!